Today, we're looking at the Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill, a robust option for home workouts. This model offers a wide running deck, automatic incline, and smart connectivity for varied training. It targets users seeking a sturdy, feature-rich treadmill without commercial gym bulk. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's assess how this treadmill performs in real-world exercise scenarios. The wide-running deck and substantial frame contribute to a very stable feel, providing a secure platform for your home runs. With 15 automatic incline levels, you gain significant versatility for challenging different muscle groups and intensifying your cardio sessions. Reaching speeds up to 12 miles per hour, this treadmill capably handles everything from brisk walking to more intense running routines. While the deck does fold up, the entire unit remains quite large and heavy, so plan for a dedicated space. This treadmill offers a stable and capable experience for various workouts, though its folded footprint remains substantial. Next, we examine the overall value offered by this treadmill. The quality of the running deck, the smooth incline system, and the high weight capacity truly deliver a robust home fitness package. This treadmill is designed to support a broad spectrum of workout intensities, catering effectively to both casual users and serious training. The included SunnyFit app enhances the experience by providing guided workouts and personal progress tracking for your sessions. In the crowded mid-range market for folding treadmills, this model holds its own with a compelling feature set for the price. Considering its robust hardware, diverse fitness support, and included app, this treadmill presents good overall value. Let's consider the potential risks and practical considerations for buyers. Ensure you have ample floor and ceiling clearance, as this treadmill demands a significant amount of dedicated space for safe operation. Due to its substantial weight, assembling this treadmill is best handled by two people to ensure a safe and smooth setup process. Regular checks of the belt, lubrication, and all moving parts are important to maintain optimal performance and prolong the treadmill's lifespan. Sunny Health and Fitness provides established manuals, readily available parts, and responsive customer support, which is reassuring for long-term ownership. This treadmill requires careful consideration for space and assembly, but the brand offers good support. The Sunny Health and Fitness Treadmill stands out for its wide, stable running surface and significant incline capabilities, making it a highly capable option for home use. While its size and weight require ample space, it delivers strong performance and connected features. For serious walkers and runners with the room, this treadmill is a recommended investment for varied and engaging workouts.